From left to right R, tightening screws, drop bayonet, small fox arrow table. Loosen the D-ring rope. Let's start installing. Put the arrow here and screw it on. Because it is the drop arrow platform, it can be installed in a horizontal position, and a little error is not a problem. Put up the D-ring rope. The drop barrier is installed on the string, with the motion trajectory facing downward. Tighten the screw gently, don't over-tighten it. Little by little patient debugging. You can then use your drop arrow platform as normal. Thank you for watching. If you think it is helpful to you, I hope you can click the subscribe. This is a great help to our Archery channel.